Today is the 15th of May 2023, and we have Myllypuro. Vad är korsningen? Or Tuulimyllyntie.
Ja, Tuulimyllyntie.
I mean,
Yeah.
vindkraftsvägen. Yeah, precis. This is building, was it 1?
2.
Or 2. And the stake is here, is it?
Yeah.
So we are here in Myllypuro park. Which stakes do we still have here? Was it B?
And E.
B and D left here. In Helsinki, East Helsinki has also money on Finland. It was built in 1966, probably in the beginning of 1966, start 55, sold in 2021, will be inspected in 2025. The symbolization 14038 with 5 floors. Most of the ones are from 1965 here, so this could be early 66.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Schindler.
Yes, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's